Special sermons on salvation and partaking in the Lord's Supper marked Good Friday as faithful all over the state offered prayers, commemorating the crucifixion of Jesus Christ on the cross to save mankind as per Christian belief. Prayer services were held at various churches across the Christian majority state. An air of solemnity prevailed at the Calvary in front of the Mary Help of Christians Cathedral in the city, where the Good Friday service was held. Devout Christians offered prayers at the feet of the Holy Cross, one of the most prominent landmarks in the Pine City. Since morning, people visited the churches to offer their morning prayers and attend church services following with confession. Good Friday is observed to remember the crucifixion and death of Jesus Christ. In the West Jaintia Hills district, the Jawai Diocese also observed Good Friday today. To honor this significant day, the faithful of the Roman Catholic Church gathered for a prayer service at St. Teresa Cathedral Church in Jawai Parish. The prayer service commenced with the Way of the Cross, reflecting on Jesus Christ's journey to Calvary. This was followed by the celebration of the Lord's Passion, also known as the Mass of the Pre-Sanctified, typically held around 3 o'clock in the afternoon, depending on the parish's schedule.